A very good morning to each and everyone who is listening to me. And dear students, today I am going to share a story with you. This is not basically a story, this is the life mantra. We all the people, we always keep on thinking that how one can be happy. But do we really know how one can be happy? So I am going to give you 3 tips how one can be happy. If you really want to be happy, first of all, you all the people need to be quite careful, quite conscious about your fitness. An unfit body can never be happy. So if you really want to be happy, you really want to gain happiness, you really want to give happiness to others even, then it is very, very important that at least what you do, keep yourself fit. Regularly take exercise, take care of your health, control your weight, and you will definitely be happy. So this is the first tip. The second tip, which is really very, very important, what is the root cause of each and every problem of us? The root cause is expectations. If you gift me something on my birthday, so next time what you are expecting? That I will gift you something. We shouldn't do like this. If you really want to help someone, if you really want to do something for someone, if you are really doing something for others, then you should keep one thing in your mind, that yes, you don't want anything back. If you're expecting something, these expectations, they are going to kill the peace of your mind. They are going to kill, they are going to take away all the, relax from your mind. You will not feel calm, you will not feel quiet, right? So just always keep on buzzing, just be happy, rejoice, be overjoyed, but do not expect anything from anyone. So this is the second point. The third point, which is very, very important, if you really want to be happy, then do something for everyone. Whatever the people who actually needs you, whatever the people you get who are basically in the dire need of something, it can be anything, it can be money, it can be blood. Let me tell you, I have donated my blood 15 times and I'm a damn happy man. It really gives me great happiness. I always feel heavenly bliss. It's immense pleasure. So if you really want to be happy, then give happiness to others. Make others happy. A 10 rupee note can make somebody really happy. You can feed some people. You can gift some people who are really genuinely poor. And I'm telling you, you will be on cloud 9. So I truly believe that if you want to be happy, then it is very, very important that you give happiness to others. One more thing I want to tell you, that we always wait for big occasions to be happy. But that is not correct. Happiness is a journey, not a destination. When you will become an IAS, then you will become happy. No, small things give you happiness. So just feel really very, very happy, feel really very, very nice, give happiness to others, take care of your fitness, and you will definitely feel great. So just be happy, stay delighted, give happiness to others. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Take care. Goodbye.